All right,
감사합니다.
today, Korean grammar for speaking, unit 12. 을. Please repeat after me.
ul, ul, lul,
이가.
ka.
Okay, good. So before we begin, I want to fix one thing. So last time we studied 요, 어요, 해요, which was the present tense in Korean, right? And I said, uh, it's used like something that I usually do, right? Something that we usually do, like in English, I go to school, I study Korean, something like that. And number two, let's do something. Let's go, let's drink, let's eat, right? And three, what was that? Do you remember?
No.
Okay. You can also use this present tense as future tense. It depends on the context. So, what I'm trying to say in here is that think about in English. The present tense, like I am doing something, you can do it like what you're doing now. You're watching me now, and we're studying now, right? So,
Yes.
in English, you say like, what are you doing tomorrow? Oh, I'm meeting my friend tomorrow. Make total
Mhm.
sense. You use this present tense continuous as future tense, right? So what I'm trying to say here is 요요해요, which we studied as I do. We can use it in four other ways. Four other ways. So it's almost like you can make even more sentences now, but it should be uh, in the context. It should be like future or now or something usually or let's, right? It's all
Okay.
different. So, uh, for example, one I do is like I go to school. That's the usual something I do. 학교에 가요. Can you repeat after me? 학교에 가요.
학교에 가요?
Good. Number two, we're in a situation that mm, hesitating, go or not. And Monique, you feel like kind of frustrated. So, hey, 가요. Then this means let's go. Okay. And number three, if I add this word 지금, which means now,
Mhm.
and you want to say, where are you? I'm waiting for you here. I've been waiting like for 20 minutes. And where are you? Like, 지금 가요. This means I am going now. I'm on my way, right? And number four, um, if I'm asking, what are you gonna do tomorrow? 음, 친구 만나요. 만나요. I meet my friend, right? Because of the question was, what are you gonna do tomorrow? That's
Mhm.
the context, right?
Right.
So then I just say, oh, I'm meeting my friend, right? So that's that. Or you can also say yourself, like adding this word, 내일, which means tomorrow, right? 저는 내일 친구를 만나요. Like that. I'm meeting my friend tomorrow. So four things with just one grammar. So imagine how many sentences you could speak if you know 100 words. Okay, so that's something I wanted to fix. All right, please remember that.
Okay.
All right, Unit 12 today is 을, and 이가 particles. They are called particles, but I don't really care what they're called. I would just
Okay.
use it if it's needed for speaking. So, from this explanation, it says 을 is usually dropped when speaking. Then why do we learn this? It's they're it's dropped actually, and you don't really hear that unless someone is like a robot. All right, but we're gonna need this at some point when we study something different. So for now, it sounds like a robot, but I would recommend to practice it a little bit. Got it? And
Yes.
next one is l is used right after a noun object. Oh my God, I hate this kind of words like object, noun. I don't like it, but that's what people do as so I just put it in there. So this example is something you might have never seen before. So example, I eat breakfast. 을. I watch TV. 를. So I made up this an English word and a Korean particle. So it's
Okay.
it's it's really depending on like the bottom letter's existence. So let's check out the first one with
Okay.
좋아하다. But remember, use 을 when there is a bottom letter, and use 를 when there is no bottom letter.
Okay.
Got it? So how do you say I like it?
I like it.
Mhm.
Couldn't you just say? Couldn't you just say choyo?
좋아하다 and
Oh,
좋다,
좋아해.
it's different. So 좋아하다,
좋아
let's use that for now.
좋아하러. Could you use it? Could I just say 좋아해요?
Right, but
좋아
let's make a full sentence. I like it.
저는 좋아해요.
Right. 저는 좋아해요. Right. So you just said I like, but you missed it, right? Because we don't
Okay.
really say this it. But in
Okay.
it part, there is the place where this goes. Do you get it?
Mm,
So for
okay.
example, I like, what do you like, Monique? Any fruit
Um,
that you like?
I like studying.
Oh my God. All right, let's just make it simple, like a fruit, like
Okay,
banana.
I
Okay?
like. Okay, okay,
All
okay.
right, all right. All right. I like bananas, right? So I like
Mhm.
it. It part is moved and banana came in that part, right? I like
Okay,
it. I like banana, right? So
okay.
let's say there is where you have to put this and see bottom letters. Banana, does it have it or no?
No, no bottom
So
letters.
which one do we have to use?
We have to use ul. Ul.
Nope, no bottom letter. L, double
Oh,
L.
lul.
Mm.
Lul.
So,
Yeah, lul.
what does it sound if you conjugate? Can you do that?
For the banana,
Yeah,
would it be banana lul?
right.
Banana lul?
바나나를, 바나나를.
Banana,
So,
banana
let's
lul.
make a sentence. I banana like.
Okay. Would it be cho는 banana lul 좋아해요?
Perfect. 저는 바나나를 좋아해요. How about this? I like ramen. Ramen is not 라면.
Okay.
Now you
So,
remember where you put this 바나나를, so we're gonna keep putting some words there.
so
Okay.
the word is ramyeon, right?
Mm-hmm.
Ramyeon.
Mm.
Okay. Ramyeon. Okay, so would it be cho는 ramyeon은
을,
어, 을 좋아해요?
perfect. 저는 라면을 좋아해요. When you say
을,
을, I know it's
을,
hard to pronounce, but make your mouth like like the word, the
을,
letter it is. 을.
을
And there's
좋아해요.
L bottom letter, right? So it will have to, it should touch your the center of your this inside of your mouth, right?
L, L,
Uh, uh,
L,
as well.
L.
Okay. How about this? Someone here looks like really she likes that beer. So beer is a word. 맥주. How do you say I like beer?
Okay, I don't like beer, so can I say I don't like?
No,
Okay,
it's just
so
for practice.
this is just for practicing, guys.
Yes, yes.
Don't come for me. Okay, so it's 저는 맥주를 좋아해요.
Perfect. How about I like wine?
Can I say podo? I don't know.
Oh, yeah,
Podo?
sure, sure. Great, please. Podo. Okay. You
Uh,
really don't like alcohol. Okay.
no, I don't know the word for wine.
Wine is wine.
Oh, wine is wine.
And
Oh,
if you don't know any words, you can just ask me.
okay.
All right.
So it's
Yeah.
저는 와인을
Nice.
조-
Uh-uh.
okay. 와인을, right? 를.
No, pick
Because it
one.
doesn't
Or 를. Which one is that? You're mumbling, Monique.
를.
No, it's wrong. It is wrong. Oh my God. I have to keep,
Okay.
reminding myself I should be really nice this year. I should be really nice. Okay.
Can you write the word wine? Can you please write the word wine for me? I want to
Yeah,
see something.
there's this person, Natalia, she wrote it for you.
Oh, it has a bottom letter. I didn't know that. I
Yes.
just, yeah. Oh, I
So
didn't know.
knowing bottom letters existence by listening is important. So I said wine. I didn't say wai. Wine.
Oh,
Mm,
okay. I see. Wow. All right. So, that should really be 저는 와인을 좋아해요.
perfect. How
Mhm.
about this? I like a book. I like books, I mean.
Okay. Uh, 저는 책을 좋아해요.
Perfect. Now you see where this 을 goes, right? So a noun, there's got to be a noun, and this is where, like, it's the end of the sentence in English. So I like books. I like wine. I like uh, grape. I like bananas. Just like that. Okay. All right. Let me add one little thing. How do you say I like this book? It's not I
Um,
like books. I like this book.
is it chogi?
What's this?
Sorry. This is E. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
E, E is
Right.
this.
E
So I like this
book.
book. Okay. Would it be would it be Chonen 이 책을 좋아해요?
Perfect. Exactamente. Right. I mean, nice. So you can point at something like, 저는 이 책을 좋아해요. You can introduce about this book or this wine or this fruit to anybody, right? So this 좋아해요 is like I think it's a really nice way to practice 을 and 를. And also 좋아하다, we can, say something that I don't like, right? So we don't say like I mean, obviously, we usually say something that we hate, but it's not as strong as English. So I would say like dislike that much, like hate, that's too strong. So I would say just dislike, but let's just say hate. All right, that's 싫어하다.
시- 시도?
싫어하다.
시도하다.
Mm-hmm.
That means like,
Hate.
hate. Oh.
싫어하다.
시도하다. 하다.
Okay, let me type here for you. 싫어하다.
싫어하다.
This is the infinitive word. So make it I don't like it. I hate it.
Um, wait a second. At first I have to find the rule for all.
No, 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 no. What are you doing, Monique? So we have this word 싫어하다. Just conjugate it. I hate it.
Oh, heyo. Okay, okay. I got
Mm,
confused.
mm.
Okay, so it's gonna be chonen shilo heyo.
Right. Let's think about what you hate. For example,
Cats.
맥주, 맥주, beer.
And
How do you say I hate beers?
I would say chonen 백주 ul.
Mm, mm,
chonen 백주 lil.
mm.
shilo heyo.
Perfect. 저는 맥주를 싫어해요. How about this word 술, alcohol? Say I hate alcohols.
Oh my gosh, it sounds so strong.
Yeah,
Um,
right?
cho- yeah, oh my gosh. Chonan alcoholil.
술. I gave you a word there. I
Sul.
typed it.
Oh, sul,
Mm.
sorry. Uh, okay, sorry. Let me start over. Chonan, chonan sulul
Nice.
shiloheo.
Right. 저는 술을 싫어해요. So you see there's like L and H at the bottom. The 싫어하다. L and H, right? But it sounds like you pronounce this H. Uh, let's say for now, like it doesn't have any sound. So just ignore it. So let's think there's only L bottom letter and pronounce it like 싫어하다. 싫어해요. Can you read that?
Shiloheo.
싫어.
Shiloheo.
Right, that's correct. So ignore this H bottom letter, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So, I'm sorry. When you are in Korea and you're in a restaurant and you're with your friends and they're ordering some food for you, but you have to tell them something that you don't really eat, something that you're allergic to. So, you can say like, I hate garlics, for example.
Mm.
So, 마늘 is garlic. How do you say I hate garlics?
So I'm going to say, oh, thank you.
Oh my
Uh,
God, donuts.
I know. Jeez. Okay. Chonan malulu
Mm,
shiloheo.
correct. I hate garlic. So 저는 마늘을 싫어해요. So somebody gave us a donut, right? So let's
Oh gosh, I hate
donut
donut. We're
is
gonna say
yeah. So donut is called 도너츠.
donut
It sounds
chip.
like donuts, right? So
Donut.
oh, nice. 양파를 싫어해요, but we're studying 을 and 늘 here, so you can fix it. I hate onions. All right, so Monique, let's practice. I hate donuts.
Donut chew. Okay. So chonan donut chulul
Uh,
shiloheo. Shiloheo.
perfect. Look, Natalie said. Can you read it, Monique?
Natalia. Okay,
Mm.
sure. Chonan malulul. Is it manulul? Is that how I say
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
Manulul. Okay. Chonan manulul. Nomo, nomu.
You said five
Okay.
times. Okay.
Sorry. I said it wrong. Thank you. Okay. Chonan manulul no numo shileo heyo. Sorry, I'm so
Right.
slow.
So you understand what Natalia says, right? 저는 마늘을 싫어해요. But there's this 너무. Alright. This is a word that makes like 싫어하다 stronger. So that means you really hate it. So this
Oh,
너무 is a word, means too. So putting that too, too, made this sentence delicious. So if you just keep saying like, oh, I like ramen, that's like, I mean, it's fine. It's 100% fine, but it's not really fun, right? I really like ramen. Something like that.
oh,
That sounds would be like a little, I would say like colorful, right? So make sentences like colorful. So put more
oh,
words like,
adjectives. Adjectives.
yeah, it doesn't matter. Like to,
Okay, okay.
really, or for sure, like so much. Those kind of things make like languages fun, right?
Oh, I see.
Mm. So it's a good habit to have that kind of stuff. So remember, 너무 싫어해요. All right. So 을을. You can also practice this with others, like other than 좋아하다, 싫어하다. Like I drink coffee, right? So where do you think we have to put 을 or 를? I like coffee. Sorry, I drink coffee.
I drink coffee is going to go, the coffee will get, the word coffee will get.
Exactly. All right, so let's make that sentence.
저는, 저는 커피를 좋아해요.
Drink.
Oh, sorry, drink. Sorry. Um, 저는 커피를 마셨어요. 마, I can't remember. 마셔,
마시다. Almost.
마셔. Oh, it's here somewhere. 마셔, 마셔요. I can't say it.
Repeat after
마셔요.
me. Right, you get it right. 마셔요.
마,
Say that again. Whole sentence.
okay, so 저는 커피를 마셔요.
Perfect.
마,
Perfecto. Okay. So, hada words. Remember, this is important. I mean, it's not that important, but good to know. This is good to know. All right. hada words. We all have hada. Like 공부하다, study. 운동하다, to work out. 일하다, to work. Um, we have a lot, right? So those hada words, it is just one word, right? 공부하다, one word, no
mhm,
space, right?
right.
But it can be two words. 공부
Oh,
and
okay.
하다. So 하다
Mm,
actually it means do.
okay.
공부 plus 하다 equals 공부하다. So
Okay.
what I'm trying to say here is we can divide this 공부 and 하다. And inside of it, in the middle of it, we can put 을 or 를. So here, this 공부 can be used as a noun. So 공부하다 is a verb and 공부 is a noun, right? If you divide it, 공부 is a noun, 하다 is a verb too. So two ways we can use 하다 words. Okay?
Okay.
So how do you say I study?
I
Just,
studied.
no,
Oh,
just normal way. I study.
okay.
One way.
I would say 저는 공부해요.
Right. How about the other way?
That you just explained.
Yes.
Um, 저는 공부를 해요.
Perfect. Oh my God. Amazing. Right. So we have two ways. 저는 공부해요. 저는 공부를 해요. But think about this. We put this 을 and 를 at the end of the sentence like one, I like fruits. We put 을 or 를 at this fruit word, right? But think about this. I study. What ended with this sentence?
해요?
Right. So no, English. I study.
Oh,
So it's
study.
finished with study, right? So we can put it in there. And oh, good. This is a hada word, so we can divide that. All right.
Ah,
So
okay.
think about this.
Excuse me, 선생님. Leanne has a question. 무슨
So
일...
we can have the questions after this. Okay.
Oh,
After the
okay.
class. All right. 일하다 we want to use. I think I can, answer with that too, Lian. How do you say, do you work? Normal way.
Do you,
일하다 is the word. Do you work?
do you work? So,
일하다, 하다 word, conjugated.
oh, okay, okay. I thought you wanted me the whole sentence. Okay. 일해요.
하다 becomes,
일, 일해요.
right,
Yeah.
perfect. Say that again. Do you work?
일해요.
How do you say I work?
저는 일해요.
Say that again. Do you work?
일해요?
Perfect. Nice. I was waiting for that. All right. So, at what? It's like, what do you work? What do you work? Sounds weird, but in English it means what do you do? What's your job? So,
Mm-hmm.
at what do you work?
Um, could I say mo? Oh my gosh, I'm drawing a blank suddenly. It's it's wait. 뭐해요, right? Isn't it?
What is used with verbs. So, 일하다, listen to me. Yeah, it's fine. 일하다 can be divided 일 and 하다. So we want to use 무슨. 무슨 is used, 무슨 means what, but it's used with a noun. So now this 일 is a noun. So add them.
So I can say 무슨 일을 해요?
Perfect. Awesome, Monique. Yes. 무슨 일을 해요? That means what do you do for a living? Right? What's your job? So this is really commonly like used on daily basis. So you can use this one like in every conversation whenever you meet someone for the first time. So 무슨 일을 해요? But now I want to explain this. 을을 is not useful. It's not used in speaking. So practice like 무슨 일을 해요, but speak like 무슨 일 해요. Drop this 을 or 무슨 일 해요 sounds a lot more natural. As we practiced 을, too difficult to pronounce, right? So that's why. All right, 을 is done now. It's done. Any questions?
Okay. Um, Definitely very useful information. I have to practice. Thank you.
That's all. And Leon, I think she got an answer from this. 무슨 일을 해요? 무슨 일 해요? Right. So, Ray Bear, 무슨, there's gotta be space. So, here's another rule for space. It's like this word, when, what, why, how. Whenever you use this word, make the space and go your words. There, you're right. 무슨 일을 해요? 무슨 일을 해요? That's perfect. You know, space is not that important for speaking. Of course, we don't know, like, we don't think if there's a space or not. But, you know, I don't want you to guys look like a dumb. Like, if you just keep writing without space, you're like, oh my God. So this
Okay.
is just extra. Okay. All right. Now, oh my God.
Wait, I'm sorry.
Ian.
I'm sorry. Sir. Can you guys post your questions in the chat so when we go to the review session, we can just pull it up on the chat. Just please post it to the chat. Post all the questions to the chat room. Thank you so much.
Perfect. Okay. Oh my God. 이가. 이가. This is as tricky as B. So a lot of people, even like they studied, like people who studied Korean for like years, they still don't get this right. And you go YouTube and you like search a lot of channels and nobody explains like this. Nobody. And they even get more confused by listening to this explanation. I think this is really, really difficult to understand. So
Okay.
let me make this clear. Let me try. I'm not even sure if I can do this or not, but I can try. So 을을, and I'm sorry, 이가 another particle. So we studied I am Monique. Say that again. Say that, please.
저는
Mm.
모닉이에요.
All right. So you say 저는, right?
저는요.
How about teacher is Korean person?
Um, 선생님, 선생님은
Nice.
한국어,
Oh, it's language. I'm not a Korean language person.
한국 사람이에요.
Nice. Perfect.
예.
선생님은 한국 사람이에요. Right? So we used 저는, 선생님은 whenever we say like I am, he is, she is, right?
Right.
은는 we can use 이가 instead of them. So, but 은는 is used when you normally just politely say like I am Monique, I am American, I am someone, I am Korean, I'm a teacher, and I'm a student, something like that. This is just normal talk. But there's some situations that you have to say stronger, like you have to emphasize like I am the someone. Who else? I am the Korean man, like, or there's some situations that you have to explain a little stronger. So let's think for now. 이가 is stronger than 은는. That's one. And it's weird because we use 이가 even when we don't say strongly. So this is why people get confused. Me, I would explain as the. So think about the in English. You have many ways how to use the. I am the Korean. The sun is shining. You just had the without any reason. All right. Or something that you already mentioned. Then you use the. Right. Or to emphasize something, you use the. So you have many ways too. So we're gonna check it out. All right. 가, first one. We use 제 instead of 저. So this is 제. This means my, but also I. This is used with E or ka. So use E with bottom letters. Use ka, no bottom letters.
Okay.
All right. So
So
제.
제가
제가, right. So there are 5 people in this room. I'm looking for Monique. Who's Monique? In that case, you're not normally speaking, oh, I am Monique. I am the Monique that you're looking for.
Yeah.
Then use 가. It is wrong if you use the. Alright, get this feeling. Alright, and say the sentence, please.
Repeat again your voice. I didn't hear you. The last thing you said, sorry.
Last thing I said is say the sentence, I am the Monique.
Would I say 제가 모닉이에요?
Right, 제가 모니크예요. Alright,
모닉,
so
모닉.
I am the person, bracket, that you're looking for.
Okay.
Mhm. And that's one option. That's one option. Okay. So use 이응가 like the in English. That's my solution. This is something that people don't explain like. All right. And number 2, we just memorize in these situations like 있다 and 없다. So if you check page 32, the
Page
last
32.
section, memorize.
So you want me to memorize this?
Yes, those words. So, 있다, 없다. 좋다, 싫다. 좋다 is good. 싫다 is not good. 필요하다, need. 필요 없다, don't need. 많다, a lot, many. 적다, not many. Few. 있다, there is or I have. 크다, big. 작다, small. So,
Where
in
are
this
you?
memorize part,
Okay.
you got it?
Yes.
Okay, there. So, let's practice a few. So, just memorize them. 있다, which means to have, or there is. We have to use 이 or 가. That's the rule. Okay. So, Monique, look at me. Are you okay?
Looking at you. Yes.
Yeah.
I'm looking at you.
있다, I'm typing for you. So, use 이 or 가 anytime you use 이. So, anytime you use this word. So, how do you say? I have. So let's forget about 이가 for now. Can you just conjugate 있다 to present tense? I have it.
있어요?
Perfect. All right. Now we want to make a sentence. I have a book. Book is check, and check has a bottom letter. So which one?
Check is going to be. So wait, am I going to use E or Ka on check?
Check has a
Or
bottom letter. So bottom letter 이. No bottom letter 가.
okay. So check is going to be E.
Nice. Make a sentence.
The sentence is I have a book.
Yes.
Okay, so would I say would I still use the same rule of saying chega? Or would I say
No.
chon? Okay. Okay, so
This
chon.
is a set. A set. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So cho는 책이 있어요.
Perfect. So remember, 있다 word. Use 이 or 가. Always, like I said. Or drop it, drop the 저, and you can say 책이 있어요. So you can say, oh, I have a book. 책이 있어요. Or this 있다 can be used as there is. So there is a book on the table. So, 책이 있어요. 저기 책이 있어요. Like that. Oh, there is a cat. 저기 고양이가 있어요. Or, oh, there's a dog. 저기 개가 있어요. Okay. Let's practice one more. This word. Dream.
Dream.
꿈.
꿈.
How do you say I have a dream?
저는 꿈이 있어요.
Perfect. That sounds beautiful. I have a dream. Right. I have a dream. 꿈이 있어요. Okay. How about money? Money is 돈. I have money.
저는 돈이 있어요.
How about time? Do you remember time?
Yeah. 시간.
Oh, nice. All right. How do you say it? I have
어,
time.
저는 시간이 있어요.
Right. Perfect. I have time for you. I have money for something. I have a dream. Something. Okay. And this 있다, it means have, to have. So 없다, to not have, should be the same set, right? That's how I studied the English. That's how I figured it out. So let's say this person, she gets angry, and this person, he gets angry too. So they have the same character, right? So what are you doing?
Someone said bye, so we're just telling them bye. Sorry.
All right. Are you listening? Are you focusing? You should be focused really hard.
Okay, I'm focused.
All right. So, what did I say?
I wasn't focused, sorry.
See, Monique?
Yeah. Yes.
So,
I take the blame, sorry. Yeah.
all right. There's this man who gets angry easily, and there is a girl who gets mad easily. So
Okay.
they have the same character, right?
Mm-hmm.
They
Yeah.
are in the same group. So
Yes. Yeah. Yes.
있다 and 없다, same
Mm-hmm.
character, same group. Because 있다 is to have, 없다 is not have. Meaning's
Okay.
different, but same character. So this is how I figured out when I studied English. This is what I said. Okay, so you can use the same rule with the same character words. So now let's practice. I don't have money.
Okay. Uh, 저는 돈이 없어요.
Perfect. I don't have time.
저는 시간이 없어요.
I don't have a book.
저는 책이 없어요.
I don't have friends.
저는 친구가 없어요.
Good. How about there isn't any cat? There is no cat.
Um,
고양이.
yeah, 고양이가 없어요.
There is a dog.
개, 개, 개,
Mhm.
개이
Nope.
있어요. 개,
개.
her dog?
G sound. No
개,
bottom
개,
letter.
개가,
Mm.
okay, wow, sounds weird, sorry. Okay, 개가 있어요.
I said there is. Oh, there is.
No,
Oh, yeah. Okay. There is. Okay. 개가 있어요. Okay. So there is no people.
사람이 없어요. 사람이 없어요.
Perfect. 사람이 없어요. Like that. So remember, when you use to have where there is, or not to have where there is no, you use 이 and 가. And from this, we can already make like a lot of sentences, right? With one word, you can make 4 sentences. All right. We're gonna keep adding up. We're gonna add up. And 필요하다. Remember this. 필요하다, which means need. You're gonna need this word a lot. I typed it for you. Please repeat after me. 필요하다.
필요하다.
We have to use, this is our promise. We have to use 이엔가 whenever we say 필요하다. Oh, before we practice with 필요하다, I missed something. I was gonna explain something. So, 이엔가. Ka is used often in speaking, but you barely hear that. Because 돈이 있어요. 돈이 있어요. 돈이 있어요. 돈이 있어요. If you keep saying that, if you connect that sound, 돈이, and it's just gone. 돈이 있어요. Like that. So that's why you don't hear this in conversations. So not only this word 돈, but also like 사람, people, right? 사람이 있어요. 사람이 있어요. 사람이 있어요. eat, and 있어요. So 사람 있어요, like that. Can you say that? There is people. There are people.
사람 있어요.
Perfect, right? So you can speak naturally.
Yeah.
But and so sorry. 개가 있어요. 개가 있어요. So you have to use 가. All right. So for practice, I would always recommend to use the right format at first. Once you get used to it, forget about it and do whatever you want to do.
Okay.
All right. And 필요하다. Let's do it. This is our promise. Use and 가 when you say 필요하다. All right. Can you please just conjugate I need it?
So am I supposed to say 필요가 해요? I'm not understanding the rules.
I said just conjugate 필요하다 to present tense. Don't worry about
Okay,
이인가.
I'm sorry. 필요해요.
Nice. 필요해요. All right. Let's say I need a boyfriend.
Okay, so it's going to be 남자친구가
Nice.
남자친구가 필요해요.
Perfect. I need a boyfriend. 남자친구가 필요해요. How about I need a car? Car, 차.
차. Okay. Oh, I don't have to. Okay, I didn't say chonan. Sorry. So, okay, chonan 차가 필요해요.
Perfect. 저는 차가 필요해요. I need coffee.
저는 커피가 필요해요.
Right. Perfect. So we have this word too. 필요 없다.
필요 없다.
없다, which means don't need. So remember, they are in the same group, same character. So how do you say, I don't need a car?
Wait. For what? 필요. Okay, I got it. So it's going to be 저는 차가 필요 없어요.
Perfect. Awesome. And I don't need
A cat.
a cat. Good. I don't need a cat.
Okay. 저는 고양이가 필요 없어요. 필요
Perfect.
없어요. 네.
Perfect. One more. Um, I don't need a girlfriend.
Okay. 저는 여자친구가 필요 없어요.
Right. Perfect. So that's how you use this E and ga. Some certain words you need E and ka. And here's one more thing I want to talk about this E and ga. So the first one, what was that? Use E and ga like you use the in English. Two, just memorize them with some certain words. You have to use E and ga. That's what we just did, right? And number three is this. You can hear this. People use 응 or 는 with 필요하다, or 은 and 는 with 있다, which I said just memorize them. They're like a set. But you hear this, people use 은 and 는 instead of 이 and ga. I'll tell you what. You use that when there is this word but.
But okay.
So, I have a car, but I don't have a girlfriend, for example.
Yeah.
So, I'm thinking I'm gonna use but. So then I have a car, but then you have to use 은 and 는.
Okay.
So this, like I said this before, this is really, really difficult to figure out. So now, if it's too difficult, you can just use it as instead of 은 and 는, just for practice. When you just want to say strongly, okay, I'm gonna use it. Use it just like that. And this is something you can't just, make the perfect match with English. So this is something that you can learn like by watching or like by listening a lot of people like watching TV shows and blah blah, and you will just get it automatically. So this is something like that. So, but I'm trying to help. So it's not 100% match. So that's why this is difficult. All right, like I said, we have not studied but yet, but just know that I'm gonna uh, remind you when we start studying but. I'm gonna keep repeating, I'm gonna keep reminding, use E and ga at that time.
Okay.
So,
So in other words,
mm,
I'm sorry. Can I ask a question?
sure, sure.
So it's kind of like how some words in English get attached an article like a and an, and
hmm
like if it's a vowel, if it starts with a vowel, or it sounds like it starts with a vowel, then it gets and if it doesn't, it gets a. Something, a concept like that, I guess.
Now, using an, for me, it's just like I add uh, an, like on, like with the words that start with I-A-E-I-O-U. So I eat an apple. Apple started with A, so I add N. So
Yeah, but
E
you
is
need
like,
that. No, but the point I'm making is you need that article. So you need a or an. You can't just say I eat apple. You're supposed to say I eat an apple. So you,
uh, yeah, that's something that we can't really figure out like easily, right? So countable, uncountable, it's not about that. So
okay.
there's, no, yeah, it is about that, but English that means like one. I eat one apple. So, and for Koreans, it's really hard to figure out that because
Mm.
we don't know if we can count, for example, advice. I have an advice. Can I give you advices? should they be like countable or uncountable? Yeah, it's really confusing. I think I know what you're talking about. Yeah, it's something like that. It's easy, just one letter, but it kills me, right? Yeah, for me, to be honest, when I speak English, I still get confused when if I say like or or sorry, or plural or singular. Yes. Yes.
I
Like for example,
understand.
hair. I have hairs, right? Should be plural because there are plenty and I can count it. It's countable. But I can say, I don't know, I have hair, right? So that's what that is. So
It's irregular. It's some irregularities. That's what it
yeah,
is.
yeah, I mean, I know about hair, but some other things
Yeah.
like big words. All right. So practice 을 and 이가. It's not gonna be too easy and it's not gonna be too difficult because we already practiced this present tense. So this is all about practicing present tense all over, like again. And I just added one little thing, 을 or 이가. So please finish your homework on exercise page, which is unit 12. Do you have any more questions?
No, I need to study. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Are you ready to go to the voice room now?
Yes, sure. I can do that about like 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Okay.
Yeah, because I have to go to Seoul. I have to be on the right time for the KTX. Yes.
Okay. Do you want to cancel or do you still want to do it?
Yeah, no, just for like a couple of
Okay.
questions, I can do
So,
that.
everyone meet us in the voice room to get your questions answered. Mods, please leave first so I can close the room, and I'll see you in a few seconds. Thank you for coming. Bye.
All
See you
right, have a
tomorrow.
good day tomorrow.
Yeah. Nail bio.
내일 봐요.